There are a number of goal management frameworks out there. Our favorite and the one we recommend to our clients is OKRs.
OKRs stands for Objectives and Key Results. It's a simple framework, it's easy to understand, and importantly, it's easy to scale. Objectives are the big picture aspirational targets. For example, to become the #1 search engine in the world. The key results, on the other hand, they're the smaller milestones that you want to hit to help you get there. For example, to grow market share in South Africa to 60% by the end of the year.
OKRs were first introduced at Intel and then most famously to Google back when they were just a fledgling startup. There's now a who's who of high growth companies using them for goal management. The great thing about OKRs is it's more of a flexible framework rather than a rigid formula.
OKRs are usually set quarterly, but it depends on the size and nature of the organization. For example, smaller startups often do monthly OKRs. As an example, let's say they're done quarterly. Usually it's one objective and 3 to 5 key results for the quarter. Then someone in the business, for example the CEO, will set the company OKRs for the quarter. Then each team or department sets that team's OKRs for the quarter, aligning to the overall company OKRs.
An optional next step is for each individual in the team to set their OKRs for the quarter, aligning to the team's OKRs. This can create additional buy-in and motivation for the junior employees, but it can also add a layer of complexity, administration, and confusion if it's not managed well. OKRs are designed to be challenging. Achieving 3 out of 5 key results is a good outcome. If you achieve all 5, you probably didn't set the bar high enough. If you only achieved 1 or 2, then you were a little too ambitious.